In those cases, what are you going to do? What are you going to do for yourself? What do you really, I mean, truly, like, you know, there's no herb store to go to. There's no, the herbs are being sold out. They can't go to the emergency room. What could you really practically do that might give you a chance? All of these plants contain a lot of aromatics, a lot of essential oils. Basil, obviously, everybody smelled basil, thyme, rosemary, oregano. We all know their scents from cooking and using them in cooking. Those aromatics are key in fighting viruses and bacteria. Those aromatics keep things respirating, keep things excreting, keep our kidneys urinating, keep us, if we take enough of them, they help us to sweat. Creating movement is very key, and especially respiratory movement. Almost all these plants, cinnamon, thyme, oregano, rosemary, and basil, they all have a history of being good for respiratory infections. They have a history. They have the folk history. They have like scientific backed up history. They've been clinically used, and they've like been used for both viral and bacterial infections in the lung. Why? Because when you consume a lot of basil or you consume a lot of oregano into the body, you are excreting those essential oils out through respiration, through urination, through sweating, through movement, through all the channels of waste elimination. Those essential oils are being removed from your body, and through the process of removal is how they keep your fluids from being congested, and they kill the bacteria or virus that's out and about. When we lose the ability to have movement, when we have a super infection, that's when it starts to spiral out of control.
For the full video and for more plant teachings, visit Wild Medicine School at the link below.